Welcome to Bullman Built RC. If you've never been here before, welcome back if you have. Today is Monday, and like every other Monday that I do a video, this is a Mailbox Monday where we go over all the things that I got over the last week or so, and I open them and tell you what my plan is, tell you what we're doing, tell you what they are. So here we go! This is going to be quick and dirty, like your mom. I got a set of the new Mickey Thompson Bajas belted. These are 1.9, 4.45 tall. They look just like the old school Mickey Thompsons, and they will look really good on the couple projects that I have for them. I actually got all four, but I've already opened two and started mounting them. They're looking super good on some engine weld replicas. They are 1.9 by 1.75 deep, I believe, and they look killer on that crew cab. Can't wait to get that thing done. Next up, my dad is building a samurai buggy. He needed some stuff, so he got some Servo Arms. These are enormous packages for Servo Arms. He got 4 of them, I believe. 3, 4, yeah. So he got 2 sets of 2. That is such a large bag for just 4 Servo Arms. Whatever. Anyway, these are his. Next is this. Ha! He got a servo for the front of his Samurai. He's trying to do a tuber on a budget, not really looking to ball out on this thing. It's already decently expensive as is. So he went ahead and got the 46 kg servos. If you are going to get a, let's call it an Amazon servo, these are very nice. Aluminum case, they're steel gear. We've got, I don't know, I have probably 4 or 5 of them that I've gotten kind of secondhand like this. And he has a couple, Jordan has a few. I believe this is the only thing Jordan runs for servos pretty much, and they are actually pretty nice. So if you're not going to buy from a name brand kind of place, at least get something like this that is a steel gear, coreless. It's got a metal case to dissipate heat. This is actually a pretty good servo. Next, also from my dad, or for my dad, servo mounts. We are mounting a shift servo to do the little shifty shift for the dig. I'm going to try to teach my dad how to use dig. Pray for me. And we needed some servo mounts just in general, so we went ahead and got a couple. He does have a couple other trucks that need run through as well and get some things set up. So we got a couple, that way we have some on hand. Next! So what we have here, I needed a stapler, and I keep losing things in the garage because everything is black. So you're always looking for a black thing, and well, the garage is pretty decently lit, but it is what it is. So I got a bright ass orange stapler. That way I don't lose it. Did not come, God damn it, freaking didn't come with any staples. Son of a bitch. I got a little orange stapler, and hopefully now I don't lose that. And on top of that, I also got this. Open for me. There we go. These are Win digital calipers. Nice black with the orange and everything. They are a little cheap. I mean, they're only like 11 bucks or something like that, but they're not fully metal. They are plastic and everything. However, they'll do what I need them to do. And they are, I mean, they're pretty nice. Carbon fiber composite digital caliper. Ooh, got that CF boy. So I got that. Next, I got a couple of Vanquish orders, and I kept piling them on, and I try to specifically make sure that you guys are included in all the things that I do get. So one of those things is I got 4 Vanquish sticker sets. Just Vanquish, KMC, Method, Rigid, Curry, OMF, the Vanquish logo, like the little banner thing for the top of the trucks. Pretty cool, super cheap. They're like 3 bucks. Went ahead and got those. I got a set of black 350 hubs. I have been selling these to all my friends and anyone around, and I keep getting them, and then I keep selling them, which is not a bad problem to have. I got a shock rebuild kit. I actually got a couple of these. I already sold one to Doug, and then, oh, here's the other one. And then I sold this one to my dad. So now I need to order another one, because now I personally only have one left. But it is what it is. So now everybody's all rebuilt on their shocks. These are the rings and some inners for my 2.2 tanks that I have on my FMS Michigan. Incision 90mm shock set. I got 2 of those. Those are going to go on the limo, as you see here. And then I got a set of incision drive shafts. I bought these for me. I'll probably take them to Beat the Creek and go ahead, and if anybody needs them and I sell them, then I sell them. If I don't, then I will bring them home and use them for their intended purpose. But we will find out. And last from BP, I finally got the metric hex driver set. It finally came back in stock. I grabbed one, Jordan grabbed one, Doug grabbed one. Everybody that I knew basically grabbed one, and we got it. So that is that. Next up we got some weathering stuff. So I got the Tamiya Weathering Master. It has everything under the sun in it. You've got gunmetal, copper, titanium, yellow, gray, green, sand, light sand, mud, soot, snow, rust, orange rust, gunmetal, silver, burnt blue, burnt red, and oil stain. On top of that, I also got some dusting powder, I believe is what this is. It's like weathering powders, basically, from a place called Doc O'Brien's Weathering Powder by Micromark. It has dirty brown, grungy gray, gritty yellow, rusty brown, muddy red, highlight white, desert sand, faded blue, mildew green, grimy black, patina green, and rusty red. I am trying to actually start patinaing and weathering things, and it's working okay. I'm figuring it all out. It's kind of one of those things that there's a definite learning curve. You see people on YouTube just like, oh, this is easy stuff. It doesn't really just go that way. You got to know how to apply and what to apply and all that. And I have used a little bit of it on some projects, so hopefully that goes well. And then also, I looked like a complete weirdo, and I got a 200-piece makeup brush thing to apply all this stuff with, because the Tamiya kits come with one of these per kit, and you will destroy it in all of about 5 minutes. So I went ahead and got a bunch of these. That way now I have a bunch of weathering stuff to have on hand. Next up, I got a scribing tool from Amazon. This is a Ansai, made in China. I have no idea. So I'm not real happy with the door lines on my limo, the crew cab I have, and then on a couple of the 3D printed things I have. Some of them are a little shallow, so I was going to dig them out with this. I went ahead and got this. I don't remember how much it was. It was 11 bucks, something like that. And this is what everybody told me to get. So I'll either really screw things up or it'll look better. Not sure yet. Next! As some of you know, Andre from Scale Metal Supplies has recently moved to Indiana from California. We've been kind of talking back and forth, and he was nice enough to give me a little care package. So what I have is I've got roll bar mounts, spiderweb gussets. I have, these are bend and braze brackets. I believe these are for links or shocks, one or the other. These are big, thick brackets. I don't know if they actually have a particular purpose or if they're just bracket holes. This is a master kit, so you have all the shock mounts, you have some square plates, gussets, more tabs with different size holes in them, and some smaller tabs, some square tabs up here. Then you have the cutout for tube brackets, so these could be like shock mounts, etc. And then he gave me a master bumper kit. Super cool, very nice guy. If you're looking for something on Scale Metal Supplies, I know right now he does have a discount code celebrating his 4 years in business, so I think it's code BUILDIT, and you can get a little discount there. And he is a super nice guy, super cool, has already been out crawling with us and definitely showing his local support, so I like to show a little support back to him. So that is that. Next! Last but definitely not least, I made an order from Team Garage Hack, and they messed it up, and they don't seem to care. So, it is what it is. I ordered a part and a 2x4-inch banner for my Scale Garage. What I got was a full-size banner from my real garage. I'm not upset. I'm actually pretty stoked about it. I will say something to them next week at Beat the Creek and let them know that I did want a scale banner. They sent me one. We'll see what they say. I'm still probably going to buy another scale banner for my garage. Then I also got this little guy. This is a creeper transfer case in clear, and it is pretty because I love natural milled aluminum. It looks so good, and I like watching the path of where the mill went. Maybe that's just me being a nerd, but it's something that's really interesting to me. And then I also got a slipper eliminator for the Team Garage Hack motor mount that I have. I had to use a slipper in one of them, and I was not a real big fan, so I got the eliminator. That concludes Mailbox Monday. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Check me out on Mondays at 7 o'clock Indiana Eastern Pacific Standard Time. I don't know. And check me out on Facebook groups. I have a Facebook page for the page and an Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board. I appreciate you watching. I will see you later.